Also, on a side note, I've been smelling something that smelled dead in here. Happy Sunday, guys. Getting my shop cleaned out and organized today. I ran across some old stuff of mine in a bow case. This was one of the first trail cameras that ever come out. Well, I ain't gonna say that. It ain't one of the first ones to come out, but it was when trail cameras were getting popular. And I got this one for Christmas when I was real young. I tell you what, that thing weighs 15 pounds, I bet you. And I never did figure out how to use the darn thing. It is ancient, I can tell you that. It takes them big old batteries there, Bo. 6 volt. I got all my old paintball and stuff. It's my dad's old paintball gun, old Spider. Predator hunting stuff. There's some old tracking collars of mine, old Johnson. I bet you they still work. Still got the magnets in them. Tracking has come a long. Them are magnums right there. That's a Magnum Symmetry. But it's pretty cool looking at old stuff. My old phone number I used to have. Brings back lots of memories. Old derby cars. That was a fast little car right there. I won several races with it. Pretty cool looking at some of this old stuff. That's my old paintball gun. Just some old cheap ones. Pretty cool. Goes back in storage because I ain't never gonna use it again. Also, on a side note, I've been smelling something that smelled dead in here for like 3 months now. Been looking all around and couldn't find it. Well, today I was in here cleaning it out and there was a 5-gallon bucket right here with a lid on it right in front of the freezer. And I popped the lid off just to see what was in it because I was throwing a bunch of stuff away, and oh my God. What was in that thing was deer meat trimmings, where me and my buddy were trimming up a deer meat before we threw it in the freezer, and that was the scraps off of it. I was going to save it and use it for coyote bait. And I set it right in front of that freezer and never put it in the freezer, and oh my God, it stunk. When I popped the lid off of it, the smell that came out of there, I like threw up. It went, chunked it in the woods, but it was just a